Today, we will learn about the basic usage of SPUM. We will learn about character saving. First, when you press the play button in Unity, SPUM will run. SPUM basically has a management area for saving and managing files. From the left, the upper middle part is where you can preview area, the bottom is the animation control part. The right part is where you can set the part for each part, or the random or delete area. If you look at the preview part, there are plus and minus buttons. You can zoom in and out of the screen, and you can choose the body color and whether to use cavalry. If you select a body part, the following is a basic body set, or through add-ons, you can choose the bodies you have installed. You can create a demon form like this give, or you can also create undead characters like elves, orcs, and skeletons. Now we're going to use each part once. Each part is as you can see: eyes, hair, jawline and accessories, helmets, back part like clothes, pants, armor, and cloaks accessories. It is divided into right-handed weapons and left-handed weapons, and you can do it randomly, or you can delete it. Let's change the eyes first. The eyes are as follows. There are various eye presets exist. After selecting the eye design you want, you can set the detailed settings. The C is color, the R is random, the D is delete. So, the color you want change, or randomly change the design itself, or delete it. You can initialize it. Let me explain the color screen. There are type 1 and type 2. Type 1 is the one we usually see there is. It is expressed as a color spectrum. If you go to type 2, you can create a more distinct design. It is possible to create the colors created this way, so that they can be used in other Photoshop or various design tools. You can copy them in hex code. There is provided. The color you selected is saved, and saved in the preset is provided so that you can use it. In the case of the lock button, if you use all random in the future when this part is not randomly rotated, save it. When you turn it on when using it, it will be locked. The hair part is as follows. When you installed the add-on in this case, turning the add-on versions on and off, you can select only the add-ons that you can use. Make it possible. Let's change the hair color too. Next, let's change the beard side once. Add a helmet too, I will give it to you. For the helmet, you can use it in conjunction with hair. However, some designs may overlap. How to use it in conjunction? I recommend that you consider carefully before using it. Choose clothes once, I will give it to you. In the case of clothes, it consists of a torso and both arms. Depending on the design, both arms. There are also those without a design. There are also those. So, of course, according to your own design. Set it up. You can use it. Choose pants. Choose armor. Make it the design you want. And put on a cloak. More decorations add. If you want to make it an archer, you can select the following arrows. If you select a weapon once, the weapon depends on the left and right hand positions, because the way it looks is different. Check through the animation preview while. I recommend you to select. If you select each animation preview, the animation will play as follows. Each animation will have an additional window called the animation click list. A window will pop up. So now in the idle animation state, there is only idle animation. Click Add New Clip at the bottom to provide it, or install it through an add-on. You can add your own animations to the state. You can see it here when you press the select button. It is added to the corresponding animation state, so that you can change the animation direction as follows. When developing a game, you can select the desired animation clip in the script and play it. Also, there are up and down buttons. You can change the order of the animation clips, or there is a delete button. You can also delete unused animation clips. And the created character, you can change the order of the animation clips. We can control it. Let's press Save Unit. The character created this way. You can check it through Load Unit. The units created in the past, like now. In this Load Unit, according to the version, you can also convert it. Select the unit I made. You can reload it. You can modify it. You can also change the design. The unit that has been modified is. Click Edit Unit to save. If you create a new character, if you don't want to select them one by one, use all items random at the bottom right. You can change it until you get the character design you want. Then click All Items Reset at the bottom right. If you press, it will be initialized again. Or you can press New Unit on the bottom left. Create a new unit. You can proceed. Also, if you check Random Color on the left, it will rotate randomly when. The color can also be freely changed. You can create various parts. If you rotate it randomly like this, when you get the design you want, when you want to lock the relevant parts, Lock check, and if you turn random, you can see that the part is not changed. It is created. Today, I introduced the basic usage and saving methods of SPUM. Next, I will show you how to use more advanced functions. Let me introduce it. I'll end today's video here. Thank you.